Hello everybody and welcome in this quick Saturday update. Bitcoin broke out to the downside from this falling wedge formation. Like I said in yesterday's video, guys, this was most likely not the bottom. This was most likely also not the bottom. But right now Bitcoin tapped into some liquidity, so roughly slightly above 35,000 US dollars. Could it be possible that this is the bottom right on the Bitcoin price? Well guys, we are going to talk about that in today's video. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. But before we are jumping into it, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button guys, so much appreciated. Let's check if we can push this video to as much people as possible. And yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Well, what we basically have been seeing right here, we got a break of that declining support of the falling wedge formation, and we went to our next support level, which was right here, which I've been pointing out in my previous videos as well, 35,800. We dipped in that level, and so far we are right now trading back above it. And if we have a look at all the momentum indicators right here, then we can see that we are not yet really seeing any reversal signals. We could be forming a bullish divergence on a couple of momentum indicators, but we are not yet seeing it over on the relative strength index as well. This is also one of the reasons why I'm saying I still don't think Bitcoin has truly bottomed out yet. But guys, there are some positive signs as well. We are getting closer and closer to a bottom, okay? First of all, time-wise, we still have the first week of February, which is aligning with the Chinese New Year, where we're expecting Bitcoin basically to bottom around this time period, right? Around the first week of February, right here, we expecting Bitcoin to bottom. So that could be, for example, something like this, where Bitcoin is going to test that lows again and then reverse. But it could also be that Bitcoin is going to go to the next support level right here, or even go to our final support right here, which is even slightly below 30,000 US dollars. Right now, it is unclear yet, but it looks quite clear that this most likely isn't the bottom yet. But in the shorter term time frame, we could be seeing a bounce, and then this level is going to be important, of course, the former support of that falling wedge formation. If that is going to act as resistance, then yeah, we all know what can happen. Then Bitcoin can sweep the lows right here. But let's have a look at some different signals, guys. Let's first have a look at the funding rates. Funding rates are extremely negative right now, which is a good sign. Definitely a good sign. People are very bearish right now. That is something that we want to see when Bitcoin is getting closer to a bottom. However, we might not there yet, okay? Then when we have a look at the open interest of Bitcoin, then we can also see that we are getting a nice decrease in open interest, which means that we had a small flush of trades right here during this breakout of that falling wedge formation. So guys, with this drop right here, with this breakdown from this falling wedge formation, we did saw a flush in open interest, which means that a lot of positions got either closed, stopped out, or liquidated. Mostly long positions, of course. And yeah, that is also something we would like to see eventually. We want to see that open interest being flushed down, coming down, resetting to normal levels. So that means that there will be less pressure on the price of Bitcoin, which can be a nice foundation for the next bottom. And then we can go back again into a uptrend. So guys, although Bitcoin didn't bottom yet, we could still be seeing a bounce in the shorter term time frame. That is definitely possible right here. But the next major levels that I'm watching after 35,800 is going to be 32,500 approximately, or 32,600. And right here, the level of 29,700, like roughly below 30,000 US dollars, as it was the lows during this formation. There's no guarantee that Bitcoin is going to reach these levels. However, guys, these levels can provide us with unique buying opportunities, as these are potential levels where Bitcoin might be bottoming out. However, don't try to catch a falling knife right here. Always wait till we are seeing some form of a bottoming pattern and a reversal pattern. before acting up on the markets. If we try to catch a falling knife, it is often quite dangerous, because we basically don't know yet whether that was the exact bottom, yes or no. Guys, do take in mind that the S&P 500 is extremely correlated with Bitcoin right here, and the interesting thing with the S&P 500 is we are approaching some support, which is coming up right here. That is the top of this rising channel, the former resistance. If this level can flip into support, if we can bounce from this level, guys, then we could actually be seeing a bottom in the financial markets, which also could mean a bottom in the price of Bitcoin. Right, this level would be roughly at 4,350. Of course, the opposite is true as well, guys. If we were to lose this level and we are going to trade back into this rising channel, then that could be a very, very bearish sign, showing us that we might going to see a very prolonged downtrend right here. That would be a very negative sign for the markets. But we also have been talking about this in previous videos, right? At the moment we are breaking out of this rising channel, we could be seeing increased volatility. So we could be seeing back testers of this of these levels, because if I were to go to a daily time frame and I show you a previous example, guys, for example in 2008, we have seen something like this, also a rising channel. We broke out, we got increased volatility, testing that level again, but the moment we decisively broke back into that channel, that was the moment that we actually had this major crash. So right now we were talking about that we can see something similar, right? We are seeing some increased volatility. However, as long as we can bounce off from that support, the bull market could still be intact. The uptrend in the S&P 500 could still be intact, which would be good for Bitcoin as well. So this is one of the levels that I'm watching, which could coincide with a bottom in the Bitcoin price, guys. If the S&P 500 would bottom right here, or at least show a local bottom and bouncing back up, then that could be a very positive sign for Bitcoin, showing us that we are getting closer and closer to a bottom. And you know, guys, how often I always say how important it is that more charts are actually telling the same story. So we might even be able to find a confirmation right here for the potential Bitcoin bottom. Then, guys, for all the traders out there who are interested in trading Bitcoin or a variety of cryptocurrencies, right now there is a huge bonus going on over on the Bybit exchange. You can get a bonus of $4,460 and you will get a 30% discount on your fees if you sign up using my affiliate link down below. Guys, this is a temporary bonus, and this is by far the biggest bonus that Bybit ever has been organizing. And if you are interested in that, you can sign up using my affiliate link down below. Do take in mind, guys, if you are a trader that wants to trade with leverage, that is for experienced traders. It's very difficult to be a long-term profitable trader if you are using leverage. But on Bybit, you also have different functionalities. It is the to-go-to exchange in the crypto markets, guys. It is good for margin trading, spot trading. You can trade with Bitcoin as collateral. You can trade with US dollar Tether as collateral. You can stake your cryptocurrencies. You can trade on the spot market as well. It is definitely by far one of the best exchanges in the cryptocurrency space, and right now you got a unique opportunity to claim that major bonus of $4,460. So, guys, that was just a quick reminder. Back to Bitcoin. This is basically what I'm thinking is going to happen with the Bitcoin price. These are the levels that I'm watching. I think time is as important as price right now. We want to see everything align around the first week of February. Maybe we can see the bottom of the S&P 500, Bitcoin doing one last fake out, something like that. That would be a nice scenario to watch. Right now, a little bit too early to draw any conclusions, right? Don't catch a falling knife. I would say let Bitcoin roll right here. Let's wait till we are seeing a clear reversal signal, reversal pattern, where we can say with more confidence, okay, most likely Bitcoin is bottoming out right here. If you want to be notified whenever that happens, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload those videos. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.